Want to completely remove Bluestacks from your Mac? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you cleanly delete it. No hidden files left behind. First, you have to close Bluestacks in its background processes. Open Activity Monitor from Applications, then Utilities. Find any processes related to Bluestacks. Select them, then click the Quit or X button to shut them down. Step 2. Remove the Bluestacks app. Go to the Applications folder using Finder, then right-click on bluestacks.app and choose Move to Bin. Step 3. Delete leftover files. In Finder, click Go in the top menu and select Go to Folder. Type this and press Enter. Search these folders for any Bluestacks related files and delete them. Preferences, Application Support, Caches, Logs, Launch Agents, and Launch Daemons. Now repeat this step, but this time go to this location without the tilde and check those same folders again. Step 4. Empty the trash. Right-click on the trash icon in your dock and choose Empty Trash to remove Bluestacks permanently. Step 5. Restart your Mac. Reboot your computer to ensure all Bluestacks components are fully removed. An optional tip: use a trusted Mac cleaner like Clean My Mac or Omni Remover to automatically find and delete all associated Bluestacks files for you. Final note: this removal method is safe, thorough, and legal, fully in line with YouTube's guidelines and software compliance standards for 2025 content. And that's how you completely delete Bluestacks from your Mac. Thanks for watching.